today we are going to vacuum out the 204, almost 204,000 mile Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Just did an update video on that. What I wanted to show is a setup. If you follow the channel, we did a video on the small shop vac and the small cigarette or power port adapter to AC, DC to AC inverter there. And we're gonna see how it works. This was my son's idea, who's the cameraman today. And because we're at the condo location and I was gonna drag an extension cord, which was also in a video, the repair video, out the front door and into the parking lot, but he thought this might be a better way to do it. So we're gonna try it out. I probably have to pull the mats out first. I usually like to brush these off, and I have a little brush, we'll do that next. It's a little salt. I might have to hit the ignition button for the AC because I don't know if there's power to this thing. And no, see, there's a display on it and it's blank. So let me do that. Okay, so here we go. 122 volts, I should imagine that's what that is. The car is freaking out. All right, so let's give it a shot, see what happens. Doesn't look like we have enough. Hang on. We may not have enough juice. Now, I'm not an electrician. And I know you can't go plug in like a hairdryer or an air conditioner into this. Oh, there it goes. It's jumping up to 145. Still not enough. Yeah, just not enough. I said volts earlier. That it's not volts. It's incorrect. It's probably amps. Yeah, so we don't have enough juice for this. So we learned a lesson there. So we will have to drag out the extension cord. So we'll be right back. All right, so this cord, also if you follow the channel, appeared in another video where we repaired on this particular cord, the female end there. And yeah, we cut the insulation a little too far back on that, which I'll get some electrical tape and just kind of patch it up. I could take the whole thing apart and recut it and splice it, but it basically will get light duty like this, so it's fine. So far, to review, that white box appeared in a video on its own. This vacuum appeared in a video on its own. This extension cord appeared in a video of its own. The car appeared in a video of its own. So we clearly make a lot of videos. So we're gonna just do a quick vacuum here. So we will do the other side. I know this is very riveting activity, but there are people out there who like vacuums. There are people out there who like Jeeps. There are people out there who like extension cords. I happen to be all of those guys. I don't think we need to do the back seat because nobody has been in the back seat other than your sister. And that's what she did. So that's crazy. She was in the car twice. for probably less than 45 minutes total and trashed it. What drives me crazy is when people go in your car and then move their feet around and like move the carpet around, just make a mess of it. That's what she does. So let's do the back seat. So what I really need to do, because this Laredo has a cloth interior, is after this junk weather is done, I need to get out my carpet cleaner and just go over everything, because there's a couple little stains in the front seat. Look at that. That's just from her. I don't think anyone really wrote. Yeah, a couple people wrote in the back seat when I had it for work. But we'll need to clean the carpet when this junk weather is done, because there's just some stains and stuff. Okay, so what I'll do lastly is well, I wasn't going to do back here, but since I have opened it, I might as well just quickly do a quick spot. If we keep getting really bad. This mat, incidentally, came from a Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit that I had, a blue one that I had, that I totaled when I hit a deer. And when they allowed me to get into it, I took that to put back here, because the Laredo didn't have anything. So I use this. You can see how bad this is. And these will all get shampooed when the weather changes. The best I can do is just keep after it as best I can. And same thing I don't have here at the location my interior detailer, because usually what I also do is wipe down all the plastic surfaces which requires interior detail, including the door sills, which you can see where my daughter gets in and out. She likes to put her foot right on the plastic, which I always try to avoid, because notice how on the driver's side that's pretty clean, right? But the driver's, me, is who's in and out of this car the most, still, because I avoid putting my foot on that. My daughter's also 11 years old. And she's more interested in what Taylor Swift is doing than stepping on the plastic door sill in her dad's car, which I get. These mats, while they don't look great, I mean, they're clean, they don't look great. When I use, it's usually, I almost said Under Armour, but Armor All, like interior or upholstery cleaner, the foam spray with the brush, they come out like brand new. These mats, again, this vehicle has nearly 204,000 on it. These are the original mats, which probably will you have to show it, but actually when they're really clean like that and they're shampooed, they look brand new. So whatever quality or material that Jeep used to make these, it's actually really good. That one on that side. Not perfect, but for being at the condo location, with not my full arsenal of car supplies, not bad. All right, well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.